Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to save second Instagram photo on PC. So to do this, what you have to do is just to open any browser on your PC, then you enter the website which is instagram.com. So when I can then log into your account. So let's say I'm scrolling on my timeline and I can now find this photo right here. So you see, here is the first photo. So when I click on this swipe icon right here, you see the second photo. So when I click on it also, you see the third photo. So let's say I want to save this second photo. What I have to do, as you can see, here's the second photo. What I have to do is just to go right at the top right there, then click on three dots icon right there. Then you can then click on copy link. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to open a new tab right here. Then you can then enter the website which is savefrom.net. So when done, press enter to continue. As you can see, here is the website which is savefrom.net. So the next thing for you to do is just to paste the link which you copy right here. Just right click and click on paste. So when you just have to give it time for it to process. So right now, as you can see, it has finished processing. So the next thing for you to just to scroll down so you can see the second picture right there. So let's scroll down. As you can see, here is the second picture which you want to download. Here is the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh one, eighth one. So you can just select any one which you want to download right there. Let's want to download this one, which is the second one. What you have to do is to right click on it, then you click on save link as. So you can then select the location which you want to save the image to. As you can see, I want to save mine to my desktop, so click on desktop. So when done, the next thing for you is just to click on save. You can then give it time for it to load. As you can see right now, the image is saving to my desktop. Let us give it time for it to download. So right now, as you can see, it has been downloaded. So if I check my desktop right here, as you can see, here is the image which I just downloaded right now. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.